Hi guys, welcome back to Decorating Happily Ever After. I'm Jeffrey Kevin. Today I want to share with you another Christmas tree from my home. This is my Mercury glass Christmas tree. It's definitely for the young at heart. It's very whimsical and very colorful. So let's take a look. Today we're upstairs. This bedroom, we call it the yellow room. And when the children come to stay, they usually sleep in this room. I'll give you a quick view. Believe it or not, guys, underneath all these ornaments, there is a white flock tree. I started collecting Mercury glass ornaments a number of years back. A lot of these ornaments are Christopher Radko. Some of them are Department 56. And I've got various other ones. Here at the top, I did a brightly colored metallic ribbon. I've got a bow with the angel. I've got some little present glittered picks that I've mixed in. And there's all sorts of ornaments. There's a Noah's Ark. I have a nativity set there. That ornament that's the sun on the back side of that one is the moon. There are nursery rhymes. I've got different biblical characters. Here's a parrot. We've got Santas and elves. There's a snowman. I've got little clip-on candles. I've used brightly colored, sort of metallic berries on this tree. This is one of my favorites, this little angel with her curly hair. I call her my Dolly Parton angel. Mercury glass ornaments were started in Germany. The original ones, the antique ones, actually had mercury inside. Of course, they don't do that any longer. But these are reproductions that are meant to look like the old ones. But the silver coating on the inside is what gives the ornaments all their little shiny iridescence. There's an angel. Now for the base of the tree, I did a treescape, and I've put all my nutcrackers and my noisemakers around the tree. I've got the jumbo nutcrackers. This one's the toy maker. And I've got soldiers. Here's one. He's got his little drum. And also mixed in, I have my noise makers. I've got different ones. That one's Frankie Post. He sings kind of like Frank Sinatra. Got a little snowman. This is a little gingerbread house. Got all my little nutcrackers mixed in. I also have some jumbo Mercury glass ornaments that are mixed in amongst these two. Most of those are Department 56. When my nephew was little, he used to like to come up here and turn all these on and make a big racket with them all playing at the same time. I've got a king and a queen nutcracker back there at the back. There's a fisherman nutcracker and an elf. There's a little Mercury glass igloo there in the middle there. More Mercury glass Santas, Mr. and Mrs. Claus. There's a lumberjack. This little nutcracker is a lamplighter, and there's a fireman. And I've got the little British guard in his little house. There's a little artist nutcracker. The little snowman, he plays music and the miniature snowman comes up and out of his top hat. The treescape on this tree has just about got more in it than on the tree itself. But one reason why I do a treescape, rather than put all my Christmas accessories throughout the house and have to move around all the accessories on my table, by clustering them all at the base of the tree, it makes a pretty arrangement, and I mix them in. Believe it or not, there are packages mixed in amongst all this. Not gifts, mind you, but pretty wrap boxes that I use to build up and make different heights. But the treescape, it really adds, I think, to the tree itself. And by clustering it around the tree, I don't have to undo my tabletops throughout the house. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a comment below. Be sure and give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, Decorating Happily Ever After, And be sure and turn on the notifications bell so you never miss a video. I'm Jeffrey Kevin, hoping that you decorate happily ever after. Bye-bye now.